Good morning, everyone. So today is the last morning of the reboot. So I am having chocolate swirl, ketones. This is the protein pack. It comes like this normally. And yeah, so I'm having that, and I'm also having some Mitoplex, which I need to find my scissors for. So I'm having some Mitoplex in there as well. So reboot results for you guys. I lost 7.5 inches, and I measured in quite a few places this time, which is why I have so many inches lost. Last time when I did the reboot, I only measured my my mid torso, and this time I did my arms and my legs and all that kind of stuff. And so all over the board I am over top of, or like not over but under on almost every measurement. There's a couple of measurements that weren't under, but I wasn't really expecting it to be under. So yeah, so 7.5 inches, and I am down 6 pounds. So I started this reboot at 204.6, which means I am now at 198.6. So in Wonderland. Yeah. So anyways, I'm super stoked about that. I know that I will probably go back up over the next couple of days, but then I should see a steady decline. So, you know, after you do a reboot or an egg fast or a protein fast or, you know, beef and butter fast or whatever, you tend to, when you reintroduce everything else, you tend to go back up a little bit. And so I do expect that, but I do expect to see, I don't know, maybe a loss for the next couple of days, but then, and then it might go back up. So, because I think, I don't know, like I feel like when I do something, it shows on the scale up to 2 days later. So I could see a loss for the next 2 days, which would be cool, but I'm not, you know, not going to count on it. So I'm just taking my signals, my last 2 signals for the reboot. I love this one. This one tastes so good. I want to try it and make it into like an ice cream with like heavy whipping cream, and but I haven't tried that yet, so I will. But anyways, so today after the protein shake, I am still going to fast until 6, like I normally do. And I will just start back on regular meals. I think I'm going to do probably something egg related for lunch, and I'm thinking of taking out shrimp for supper. I've been seeing a bunch of people post like shrimp, and like there was one with like shrimp and broccoli and like Alfredo sauce. So I think I might do that tonight. So we will see. I'll probably just grab some broccoli from the restaurant. And then I don't have to cut it because it's already cut for me. And yeah, so maybe we'll do broccoli and shrimp tonight. And I'll see if I can find like a keto Alfredo sauce. And yeah, so I think that's probably what I'll do. I'm going to plug in my macros and everything for today and see what I can have. And then I will see you guys when I eat first, and have a great day. Hey guys, so I'm just about to have lunch. I'm just grabbing my chaffle out of the maker. There we go. I'll clean that up in a little bit when it's cooler. And so I'm having 2 slices of prosciutto, 2 Laughing Cow cheese. I just gotta put the prosciutto away. I'm having the leftover portion of this biltong. It's like beef jerky, I guess, and Chris ate some, and then I'm gonna have the rest. And then I'm having a double portion of bone broth. Lunch is a little bit protein heavy because dinner is a little bit fat heavy, so I thought I would balance it out. So anyways, I will see you guys when we have dinner. Hey guys, it is dinner time, yay! It's just after 8, I think. And yeah, so I grabbed a package of new pasta. And this is their fettuccine. And I made a sort of Alfredo sauce with heavy cream cheese, and Parmesan cheese. And then I added some shrimp, enough to get me in my protein zone. So yeah, so this is dinner. So I'm super excited for dinner. This smells amazing and I can't wait to eat it. I just threw it in a container because I wasn't sure if I was going to have to go to the restaurant or not. So I thought I would throw it in a container. That way I can take it to go if I need to. And yeah, so anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.